That's right, today I'm going to show you how to make the best kimchi in Korea. Where did I get the idea from? Do you guys know Seolleongtang? That's that oxtail soup. There's one near my house, a restaurant, and on their side menu, they make this kimchi. It's really simple. They add little thin shavings of pork. I mean, if you can't have pork, you can substitute with beef or even squid if you're pescatarian. But either way, the simplicity of it, the ratio is beautiful. And I'm going to share that with you so you can have something to do this weekend instead of just watching Netflix. All right? Get in the kitchen with me. Let's go. Boom. Now, if you look at the kimchi, you can obviously tell that it's a little bit wilted down and it's been aging. This one has already been in the refrigerator for about a month. This is exactly what we want because the kimchi turns a little bit sour and that sourness translates into flavor when we cook. If you use fresh kimchi, the leaves are too snappy, it's not going to taste good. So we're going to add in around 2 full cups of kimchi. Second cup in. Grab a pair of kitchen scissors and work at it. Just chop it any way you want. Release some stress, you know. And then at every Korean mart, you'll be able to find puchimgaru. That just means pancake mix. You know, this is not filled with sugar. This is not the same type of pancakes that you eat for like American breakfast. This is a mixture of flour, a little bit of starch powder, I think a little bit of granulated onions, and then we're gonna get 1 cup of puchimgaru, that pancake mix. Put that in. If you can't find this, just use regular all-purpose flour. It works just as well. I've done it before. And then if you open your container again, you're going to see that runoff, that residual kimchi juice. That's what we call the money. Show me the money. You see this says 3rd cup, but I haven't filled it up all the way. You know, there's not that much money in every batch, right? So what I recommend, try to fill up as much as you can, and then the rest, just fill up with some water. All right, see, filled it up to the top with water. All right, we cut our product. And now we're going to add it to our mix. We're going to turn it into a paste. Keep folding it in and you're going to get this nice paste. And at this step, if you like things a little bit more on the spicier side, add 1 tablespoon of gochugaru. That's the Korean red chili pepper flakes. Mix that in. The kimchi the pancake is going to turn a little bit more red. Some people like that. Mine is fine the way it is right here. Pancake is going to be very soft, so when we have a little bit of a crunch, beautiful. Mung bean sprouts, remember, this is not soybean sprouts. Soybean sprouts have a helmet. This one has a beak. And some of these pieces are going to have a little tail. Just snap that part off. If you're busy, you can skip this step. And it is December, so we have a lot of red here. We need a little bit of green for Santa Harabaji, Mr. Santa Claus, to visit us. Chop this into small pieces. Beautiful. We'll put that to one side. Chili pepper. These little guys, they're really red, but they're not spicy. It's all talk, no bite. It's like me in high school.
You mean all talk and no content?
Kidding. And then this one's up to you. Pick a protein of choice. If you don't want any protein, you can just skip. But today, and at the restaurant, they use these thinly sliced pork. All right, we're going to chop these in half. It's kind of like shabu shabu cuts. And little do you know that off camera, Katie brought some to go. What is this?
Tteokbokki.
Oh my gosh. Now people are going to crave
delicious.
Tteokbokki. Katie is my personal heckler. All right, we're gonna take a quick snack.
Yes, let's take a break then.
All right, let's get this on a medium heat. Good amount of oil. A soup ladle. Press it down. You can gently just mold by pressing the top into a nice circle. I think we need a little bit more.
You know, you look exactly like that lady who's making that John on the stool.
All right, we can just pat it down, get it into a nice circle, and then we can put a little bit of our greens here, of our chives, and then our pork pieces, of course, put that on top. You know, I forgot to mention, but you could also use bacon, that works, and then put a few things of our bean sprouts.
It already looks so beautiful.
Yeah. All right, and then 2 chili peppers right in the middle. Then the key thing, press it down into the mixture so that it'll stick when you flip. All right, and then let's pray, guys. Let's see what happens.
1, 2, 3.
The tip, 8.5. We're not Harvard yet. Oh no. Oh, yeah, yeah,
That's
okay.
okay. It looks good.
Oh,
Wow, look at the color of this kimchi pancake that we're making
that's
at
right.
home.
You gotta show the flip side. Nice and crispy. We're gonna let the other side cook.
Nice and crispy. We're gonna let the other side cook.
Katie always likes to copy what I say. And then,
Are you ready to flip it?
yeah, let's flip it. Let's see how it looks on the other side.
Yay!
All right.
Wow!
Wow, there it is, guys.
Look at the color
Holy shnikes. Take a look. Pork's got crispy. The chives are cooked down.
Oh my gosh.
And
This
it's
is just, oh my gosh. Oh, 맛있어.
got a little piece of the pork. Oh, it's crispy on
I love
top.
the crispy edge too.
You gotta blow it.
Look at that. Do you see it?
Katie, what kind of nerdy t-shirt do you have? What is this? Peace, love, and cloud. Did you get a free t-shirt at some like conference?
Yeah, it is.
Alright guys, so this taste really depends on how your kimchi is seasoned. If you feel that your kimchi is a little bit bland, add a little bit more salt, or if you want a little bit more spicy, add more gochugaru. It's all gravy. It's all gravy.